Hello, welcome to Flaming Star Tutorials. It's teacher Flaming Star welcoming you to today's lesson. In today's math lesson for this particular grade, we'll be moving further on the topic prime numbers. In the first lesson for this series, we learned how to identify prime numbers, which are numbers that are divisible by itself, only itself, and 1. Examples we have 11, 19, 7, 5, 31, 37, 41, 43, and so on. In the second lesson for this series, we learned how to we went further in finding prime factors, and I told you there that prime factors are the prime numbers from the given factors of a particular number. Let's say we have the number 18. Please, I do not want any noise over there. Let's say we have the number 18. Let's find the factors of 18. We have 1 multiplied by 18, 2 multiplied by 9, 3 multiplied by 6. 18 isn't divisible by 4. So 3 isn't divisible. 3 multiplied by 6. Yeah. 2 multiplied by 9 and 18. So factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18. Now, these are the factors of 18. The prime factors from these given factors are the prime numbers among these numbers, these factors. So prime numbers here we have 2, which is divisible by only itself, and 1, and 3. So prime factors of 18 are 2 and 3. In today's lesson, still on this series or sequence of prime numbers, we are looking at prime factorization. Prime factorization. Now let's identify. Let's move on. Okay. Let's express 18 as a product of its prime numbers in index form. Express each of the following numbers as a product of its prime numbers, prime factors rather, in index form. Let's begin with the number 18. Let's take 2 multiplied by 9 gives us 18. Okay, in index form, let's see. We have 2 multiplied. Here we break down 9 to 3 multiplied by 3. Oh Jehovah. Therefore, expressing 18 as a product of its prime factors in index form, we have 2, just 1 is raised to power 1, multiplied by 3 raised to power 2. That's expressing, we have expressed 18 as a product of its prime factors in index form. Is that taken? Any questions, please go to the comment section and express your thoughts. I will respond. Thank you. Now let's take another example. Let's take 36. We want to express 36 as a product of its prime factors in index form. First, let's find products of factors rather of 36. Factors of 36, let's see. We have 1 multiplied by 36, 2 multiplied by 1, that is 8, multiplied by 18. We have 3 multiplied by 12, 4 multiplied by 9 by 9. Then we have 6 multiplied by 6. Then let's complete the factors: 12, 18, and 36. Now, factors of 36, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, and 36. Now, let's identify its prime factors. We have 2, 3, that's all. Others are divisible by more than itself and 1. So now let's express in index form. We can pick any. If we pick 2 multiplied by 18, no, we'll still arrive. Okay, if we pick 2 multiplied by 18, break it down. 2 multiplied by 18, 2 times 9. Break it down. 2 multiplied by 3 times 3. Are we clear? Then we have 2 raised to the power 2 multiplied by 3 raised to the power 2. So here now we have expressed 36 as a product of its prime factors in index form. Now let's pick another 2 factors from 36. We'll still arrive at the same answer. Let's pick, let's say 4, 36 equal to 4 multiplied by 9. Let's see. Break it down. 2 multiplied by 2 gives us 4. And here we have 3 multiplied by 3 gives us 9. So we still arrive at 2 raised to the power 2 multiplied by 3 raised to the power 3. Breaking down, or rather expressing 36 as a product of its prime numbers in index form. Is that clear? Now very quickly you work on express. Let me give you one to work to express. Express 48 as a product of its prime factors in index form. Let me give you 60 seconds. Let's go. I'm busy. I do not want noise, please. First, find the factors of 48. Then you break it down. You pick any of the 2 factors and break it down. You arrive at expressing it as a product of its prime numbers, prime factors. Still some seconds to go. I'm busy. I do not want noise, please. Okay.
Helicopter.
We have a few more seconds to go. Okay, let me add one more. Let me add 100 to it too. 60, another 60 seconds. It should be a piece of cake for you to solve. Oh, blood of Jesus Christ. Okay, a few more seconds to go. I've added 100 to it. Express 100 also as a product of its prime factors in index form. Okay, now listen up. Let's solve together. First of all, let's find factors of 48. We have factors of 48. We have 1, 2, 1 multiplied by 48, 2 multiplied by 2 here, 24. Then we have 3 here, 1, 3 here, 3 times 6, 18, 3 times 6, 16. Then we have 4 multiplied by 12 gives us 48. 4. Then we have 6 multiplied by 8 gives us 48. Now expressing, first of all, let's find the prime factors. We have 2, which are numbers which is a number divisible by only itself. Let's find the prime number first. A number divisible by only itself and 1. Then 3. Do we have any other prime number here? No. Now let's express it as a product of its prime factors. 48, we have, we can pick any of the factors, any 2 factors. We'll definitely arrive at the same answer. Now if we go for 6 multiplied by 8, we'll break it down. 6, we have 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 times 4. Breaking it down for that, 2 times 3 times 2 times this 4, we'll break it down to 2 multiplied by 2. So expressing 48 as a product of its prime factors, we have 2 raised to the power of 1, 2, 3, 4 raised to the power of 4 multiplied by 3. If we pick any other 2 factors, let's see. If we pick 3 times 12, 3, break this down. Oh, 2 times 4, 8. Sorry, it's 3 multiplied by 16. It's 4 times 12. 3 multiplied by 16 gives us 48. Please, it's 1 multiplied by 48, 2 multiplied by 24, 3 multiplied by 16, 4 multiplied by 12, and 6 multiplied by 8 gives us 48. So 3 multiplied by 16. Breaking 16 down, we have, let's say, 4 times 4. Break it down further. 2 multiplied by 2 for one of the 4s, then another 2 multiplied by 2. We still arrive at 3 multiplied by 2 raised to power 1, 2, 3, 4 raised to power 4. We still arrive at the same answer. Now let's move on to expressing 100 as a product of its prime factors. First, let's find factors of 100. Factors of 100, we have 1 multiplied by 100, 2 multiplied by 50, and 4 multiplied by 25. We have 5 multiplied by 20. 20, yes. And then 10 multiplied by 10 gives us 100. 1 multiplied by 100, 2 multiplied by 50 gives us 100, 4 multiplied by 25 gives us 100, 5 multiplied by 20 gives us 100, and 10 multiplied by 10 gives us 100. So now factors of 100 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20, 25, 50, and 100. Now let's express as a product of its prime factors. 100 equal to, let's pick any of the two factors that are multipliable. Let's see, let's pick 4 multiplied by 25. Break it down. 2 multiplied by 2, breaking 4 down, and here we have 25. 5 multiplied by 5. So expressing 100 as a product of its prime factors, we have 2 raised to power 2 multiplied by 5 raised to power 2. Sorry, we didn't identify the prime numbers first before we started. We have 2, which is divisible by only itself, and 1, and we have 5. Others are divisible by more than itself and 1. So that will be all for today's lesson on prime factorization. I'm going to be writing, or rather attaching the link for this lesson in my description, in the description for this video. And your home task, I'll be pinning it in my comments for this particular video. So please, I hope you enjoyed today's lesson, and please do like, subscribe, and recommend to friends and family who you know will find contents of this lesson useful. And do not forget to express your thoughts in the comment section. See you in the next lesson.
Let's walk it down.